Curious about the significance of a mole on your hand? While palmistry interpretations aren't scientifically backed, they can offer intriguing insights into personality and life challenges. Moles on various mounts have different meanings. A mole on the Mount of Jupiter suggests marriage difficulties and anger management issues. On the Mount of Saturn, it indicates potential infidelity and personal struggles. The Sun Mount mole points to family problems. The Mercury Mount mole signifies communication challenges. The Mars Mount mole reflects a calm yet ambitious personality. The Moon Mount mole suggests restlessness and love life instability. And the Venus Mount mole indicates attractiveness and creativity. Additionally, the significance of moles on palm lines varies by location, size, and color, with right palm moles generally viewed as luckier. Overall, moles can reflect personal traits, relationship dynamics, and potential life challenges, making them a fun focal point for self-reflection.